We are back. Today we have a dimmer and with a 500 kilo potentiometer, a TRIAC that was exploded, a capacitor, a DIAC, and a 10 kilo resistor. Before that I try to repair it, I want to explain how dimmer work for those who maybe don't know how it works. Okay. Look guys, we have a power source, alternative 220 volt AC. That it can be a lamp, a universal motor. After that, a 10 kilo resistor, potentiometer, 500 kilo, the capacitor, (100 nanofarad), the TRIAC, and here we have a DIAC for triggering the TRIAC. This is the simplest circuit for a dimmer that you can make it at home. Here we have an alternative power source, come through to the load, and from this route it's charge the capacitor. When the capacitor charge fully, the voltage that the DIAC need to trigger is provided, and the DIAC triggering the TRIAC, and the TRIAC deliver power to the load. If I want to draw the sinusoidal wave of the power that delivered to load, something like this. This is the volt, and this is the T time. The input wave from the power source is like this. But the power that delivered to the load is something like this. Depend on the when the DIAC is triggering and turn on the TRIAC, this power is delivered to the load. And by adjusting the potentiometer, you can adjust the amount of the power that was delivered to the load, and dimming the lamp or maybe the universal motor. Okay, let's go to repair the dimmer. Okay guys, first of all we have to take out the exploded TRIAC. Okay. As you see, this blue one is the DIAC, and this is the nanofarad capacitor. Let's replace the TRIAC. Okay guys, as you see, we solved the try. Install the test circuit off camera and show you the result. Okay guys, we set up the test circuit for showing you how dimmer dim the lighting of the lamp. We turn it on. Nearly full. Decrease it. And as you see, a dimmer working. Thank you guys for watching. Please like the video if you like it and subscribe the channel. Bye for now.